Knock your socks off. Unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and vivid English expression, knock your socks off. This phrase is a favorite in both casual and somewhat formal English conversations, and understanding it can really add some color to your language skills. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and see how you can use it to impress your friends or even colleagues. The phrase, knock your socks off, is used to describe something that is extremely impressive or surprising, in a good way. Imagine something so amazing that it figuratively blows the socks right off your feet. It's a way to say that someone or something has made a big impact, often more than what was expected. For example, if you try a new type of food and find it incredibly delicious, you might say, "This dish will knock your socks off." It's not just good, it's exceptionally good. The exact origins of knock your socks off are a bit murky, but it's believed to have come from the colorful world of boxing or sports, where a powerful hit could literally knock someone off their feet. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical way to describe being impressed or surprised by something's excellence or power. Incorporating knock your socks off into your everyday language is easy and fun. It can be used in various contexts, from describing a performance, a meal, an experience, or even a piece of news. Here are a few examples. The finale of the show was so good, it will knock your socks off. Wait until you see the view from the top of the mountain. It's going to knock your socks off. They say the new model of this car has features that will knock your socks off. It's a versatile phrase that adds enthusiasm and vivid imagery to your conversations. Now that you know what knock your socks off means and how to use it, try incorporating it into your own sentences. Remember, the best way to master a new phrase is to practice it in real-life situations. Whether you're speaking with friends, writing, or even thinking about your experiences, see where this phrase fits and how it changes the tone of your message. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, knock your socks off. We hope this video has not only explained the meaning but also shown you the charm of colorful English expressions. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using English phrases that will knock everyone's socks off. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.